Good afternoon, everyone. I am here with Christian Odon Gubaton. We are here to present our assigned topic. The topic is job sheet. Introduction. A job sheet is a document used in various industries, particularly in manufacturing, construction, engineering, and service sectors, to provide detailed information about a specific job, task, or project that needs to be completed. It serves as a work order outlining the requirements, processes, materials, tools, and expected timeframes involved in the task. Job sheets are used to communicate instruction, track progress, and ensure that the work is completed correctly and efficient. A job sheet is a function as a crucial document across numerous industries, including manufacturing, construction, engineering, and service sectors. It plays a vital role in detailing comprehensive information regarding a particular job, task, or project that requires completion. Acting as a work order, a job sheet meticulously specifies the necessary requirements step-by-step process. A job sheet is a document that contains all the information needed to complete a job. A job sheet is a crucial document that serves as a comprehensive guide detailing all the essential information required to complete a specific task or assignment effectively. It typically includes a clear description of the job to be done, a list of necessary materials and tools, specific instruction or procedures to follow, in estimated timeframes for completion, and any safety precautions are special consideration that need to be taken into account. This document ensures that everyone involved in the job has a clear understanding of their responsibilities and the resources available, which helps in achieving desired results efficiently. A job sheet, also known as a job card or instruction card, is a document that provides instruction for a specific job or project. A job sheet, which is often referred to as a job card or instruction card, serves as important document that outlines all necessary instructions and guidelines for particular job or project. This valuable tool typically includes detailed description of tasks to be completed, specific steps to follow, materials and resources required, and any deadlines or timelines that must be adhered to. It ensures that everyone involved in the project is on the same page and can work efficiently towards achieving the desired outcome without any confusion errors. Purpose. A job sheet helps workers complete tasks by detailing the work, assignment, and tasks involved. Information. Job sheets typically include information such as the job title, task description, materials required, time allocation, instruction for completion. Uses. Job sheets are used in various industries. Examples. Job sheets can be used for a variety of purposes such as recording customer information, repairs and costs for complaint, or providing instruction for performing a welding procedure. Component. Job sheets may include fields for noting time, material stocks, and total cost of work, as well as signature lines for the worker, project manager, or client.
Job sheets are used to: number 1, define job scope. Clearly outline what needs to be done to avoid misunderstanding. A job scope is a comprehensive description that outlines the key responsibilities, that duties and expectations associated with a particular role within an organization. It provides a detailed understanding of what the job entails, including the tasks to be performed, the goals to be achieved, and the boundaries of the position authority. Additionally, a well-defined job scope includes the qualification needed for the role, such as the required skills, education, and the experience. as well as the working conditions in any potential for career progress within the company. This document serves as the guidelines for both the employee and the employer to ensure clarity and alignment in the job objectives and performance standards. Capture key details. Ensure the right service is delivered at the right location and client. Captured Captured documents and are essential details and importance aspect to ensure the comprehensive understanding and accurate record of the information being collected. Track progress. Ensure tasks are completed efficiently and methodologically. Keep a detailed record of your achievements and milestones to effectively track your progress and see how far you've come on your journey. Documents Document things like materials and time. Help with accurate billing and resource allocation. Ensure you keep detailed record of all the materials you use for the project, including quantities and any specific types of brand required. Additionally, meticulously track the time you spend on each task, noting start and end times to provide an accurate account of the hours dedicated to the project. This documentation will help in managing resources efficiently and can also serve as the reference for the future projects. Job sheets can be created in paper or digital formats. Digital job sheets can be created using software that allows for viewing, editing, and sharing from anywhere. So, the templates of the job sheet. Here, we can see the title, performance objectives, supplies, equipment, steps and procedures, assessment method. Sa job sheet, since nakikita naman natin yung title, ang example po sa title dito is prepare training needs analysis forms. Sa performance objectives naman, given the sample forms for identifying training needs analysis, you should be able to make form 4.1, 4.2, 4.3, and 4.4 for the qualification you are assigned to. Sa supplies, bond paper. Sa equipment, PC, printer with ink. Steps, procedures. Number 1, secure TR and CBC for the qualification you are assigned to. Number 2, search your CD for the templates of the TNA forms. Number 3, make the self-assessment check. 4.1. 4, using sample evidence of current competencies acquired related to job occupation. 4.2 of training methodology 1, prepare a list of possible evidence of current competencies. Number 5, construct a blank form for determining discrepancies between competencies in the TR and the current competencies of training gaps. 4.3 of prospective trainee. 6. Prepare templates for the training needs of trainees. 4.4. Sa assessment method, portfolio and assessment. So, thank you po.